Okay, well again, I've got all of my commands typed up before I started to do the video. And the first thing to do is to take a look at the scatter plot. And when you do the scatter plot, the independent variable comes first, separated by a comma from the dependent variable. So put our cursor in this line and then hit run, and we'll take a look at our scatter plot. And yeah, you see it does look good as we go down to the right. Our points do go down. That is, the heavier your car, the poorer the gas mileage. You can see that when you get out to about a 5,000 pound vehicle, and again, this is 1981, you're getting about 10 miles to the gallon. Okay, so let's just confirm that numerically with the correlation command. And let's get our correlation coefficient. 0.867, negative 0.867. Again, it's close to 1 in absolute value, and it's negative, so that's correct. That's what we would expect when we have a negative type relationship between these two variables. That is, when one increases, the other decreases. Okay, so looks good to go for a linear model. And I'll name this linear model Zeus. And again, just put my cursor in that row and hit the run. And okay, you notice again the general principle that creating something in R does not automatically display it. So we'll run the summary command to see the details of what Zeus tells us. And then we get a whole bunch of numbers. But here are the two that we want. The intercept is 37, and the slope is -5. And what this means, I'll interpret the slope first, -5.3. The weight here is given in thousands of pounds. So what this says is that if you add 1,000 pounds to the weight of your vehicle, that on average you decrease the gas mileage by 5.34 miles per gallon. And it says that the cloud of points was headed up towards 37. That is, if you were to run a line through this set of points, where it intersects the axis will be up here at a value of 37, which is probably out of range for what we've got. But let's actually add the line to the plot with the AB line command, and notice that my cursor is in that row right now. So I'll just hit run, and that'll add the AB line. Okay. So that's running linear models. And I think that finishes the graphic, so have fun with this.